Alright, y'all, so last night we were about to go get my son some shoes. We found out that the truck won't start, so I think it's a starter. We're gonna check and see. We're gonna walk to the store because this is our only means of transportation. We're gonna walk to the store. I'm missing a 8mm and a 13mm wrench. This is the 13, but I need a longer one. So it needs to be about twice as long as this. Well, and 8mm wrench, which is very, very small. That's to get the starter off. So I'm gonna show you guys, and I'll see you guys in just a sec. Alright, so I got my tools. Just left Advanced Auto Parts. Alright, y'all, so it's almost off. Took it off halfway, and here it is. There it is right there. Just need this 8mm socket to get on there. So I went to the store to get. Just gotta get this. I also needed the 13mm. And please, when you're doing this, disconnect your cables, your power. Because I almost shot myself. This is very awkward, so I'm gonna put the camera down and finish this up. Alright, so got it out. What it looks like. And I think if y'all watch my other videos, I'm not a mechanic at all, but sometimes I surprise myself by the things that I think that I can't do but end up doing anyway, because I never stop trying. So here it is. We're back again. So we got the new part. That's it right there. They gave me a cord charge. The other one was bad, they said, but it was powering up everything. So he found that kind of curious as to it working, but it's saying it's bad. And when I was taking the part off, I noticed that it was cracked in a certain area. I can't remember if I showed y'all, and when I was unloosening one of the bolts was not fastened, so that could have been part of the problem. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take these bolts off so we can easily attach them back on. Attach the wires back, the cables back to the unit. So this small one gets 8mm, and don't take this one out because this connects to that. So this one is 13. Oh, excuse me. So slide those both off, that way and that way. We're gonna get right up under here. All right, so this is the hardest part right here, is getting that back in there. Let y'all see it. Hopefully y'all can see it. So Gotta push this back up over there. I think it's a little small wire that's keeping it from going all the way in there. But we're gonna get it in there. Alright, so I got it on now. Sorry I didn't show y'all the footage, but pause it. But trying to put this battery on right now. Hold on. Alright. Alright, so the battery is installed. Put that cap back on there. And we're about to start it up and check it out. Here, hold that. Alright, so let's give it a little juice and see what happens. Yeah, go get it on the, well, you can get it right there.
I'm getting too.
Yeah, come on. Alright. Wow. I swear, y'all. I'm really impressed with myself, and like I said, I'm just a normal person. I did not go. My mama wanted me to go to mechanical school, be a mechanic, but I chose to take a different route. But I just tried it, you know, believed in myself and never gave up, and I installed this starter by myself. And just thinking about it, I mean, I never thought that I could have done it if I didn't try. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Believe in yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video.